everyone, so today I am going to do a pretty big Ulta haul for you guys. I made a purchase online, a rather big one. I'll show you what all is in the box real quick. So let me go ahead and show you what I actually purchased, and then at the end I'll show you like all the free gifts with purchase that I received for getting what I bought. I got two Formula 1006 products. I have tried some of their products before and I have done a review for you guys about them. But these are two that I have not tried. So this is the Best Face Forward Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is the Passion Fruit and Green Tea. It says this fresh foaming gel cleanser washes away oil and impurities for a sparkling clear complexion. Green tea and chamomile pacify while passion fruit balances skin. Your skin looks clean, clear, and healthy every day. Pretty big compared to the face wash that I used from them last time, so I'm hoping this will be better. Next product from the same line is the Rescue Me Acne Blemish Treatment. This is their original formula. This is on the spot complexion clearing gel. Is your solution to eliminate and prevent breakouts at the first signs of trouble, target pesky blemishes, and heal from the inside out. So this is what the packaging looks like. I actually really need an acne product right now. I'm currently using one that is expired, and I feel like it's irritating my face because it's expired. So I needed something else, so I thought I would give this one a try. Hopefully it works out. Pick up one more Formula 1006 product. I thought I had only picked up two, but maybe I picked up three. This is the Bare Face Beauty Skin Moisturizing Cleansing Oil, Almond and Vanilla. It says melt away the most stubborn makeup and dirt while keeping your skin soft and smooth. This lightweight, nourishing blend of oils infused with a hint of vanilla works quickly to get you totally bare-faced and beautiful. So I really wanted to try like a cleansing oil, so I don't know. I picked this out. Hopefully it works. We'll give it a try. To kind of stick with skincare, I also picked out some e.l.f. products. I picked this out, and I'm not sure about this because I didn't read kind of what it was or any reviews until after I made the purchase. This is the Hydrating Water Essence. I think this is not what I thought it was. I thought this was more of like a serum kind of a thing because I was using the rest of the essence from face masks, and so I thought that that's what this was, and maybe I'm using the wrong word. Let me know if I am, but this actually says it's a lightweight water-based lotion that hydrates for healthy glowing skin. This light watery formula glides onto skin to hydrate, leaving skin feeling fresh and smooth. Infused with purified water, coconut water, and algae. So this says you're supposed to put it on after cleansing with a cotton pad or your fingertips and press into skin. I feel like this is more of a toner. Let me know if you have tried this. Let me know what this is supposed to be, because I'm a little confused because I purchased this thinking it was something completely different. And then I also picked up the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Cleansing Gloss. I am trying to find a good affordable makeup wipe because I actually do really like using them as my first step. So I picked these up. I've surprisingly never tried these, so yeah, I'm gonna give these a try. I feel like I've heard good things about these, so I was surprised to see these at Ulta, but these are the Acne Pimple Master Patch. Very intrigued by these, very much so. So I'm gonna give these a try and we will see how they work, because I have been breaking out quite a bit lately. I think it's stress. I really think it's stress, but yeah. Been needing more acne products, which is very unusual for me. One more skincare product. This is the Biore Baking Soda Cleansing Micellar Water. Another product I bought before reading the review, so I'm a little bit concerned about this one. I heard it kind of burns your eyes. Hopefully it doesn't. We'll see. But I wanted another micellar water, so I decided to pick this up. This is a little bit irritating to me. I don't know, like, I purchased this online. I'm a huge coupon person. I love to save money and do stuff like that. So I purchased this online. I know they didn't take $1 off of my purchase, but if I would have bought this in store, I would have ripped this off and I would have been able to use it. I don't know. That's just a thing with me. I would have preferred you to take it off and then I wouldn't have known, because now I'm like bummed out that they didn't use this towards my purchase because I bought it online. Anyway, mini rant. We'll try this out. Let me know if you've tried it out. Let me know what your thoughts are. This one kind of got messy and got everywhere in the little baggie, which I appreciate. They packaged this thing like really, really well. And the box was like really banged up, so I was really worried, but they packaged this so well. So they had put this along with quite a few of the other hair products, but it just got on this in a baggie or something, and this kind of got stuff everywhere. So I don't know if I'm a little nervous to even open it. I feel like it exploded or so. Oh, I just heard it come out. Okay, this is like when you open a pop bottle or something. You know what? I think it froze. I think it froze because this was outside. And I was at work all day and I got home late. So I bet you this froze and did something to it. I'm thinking that's what happened. This is the Hask Coconut Milk, what is this? Curl Sculpting Spray. So I picked that up and I think there was some kind of deal going on because originally I was only going to pick up one of these two products, but I picked up both. So I got that, and then I also got the Hask Coconut Milk Curl Enhancing Lotion. So this is the lotion, and then this is the spray. So I was just gonna pick up the lotion actually, but there must have been some kind of deal, so I picked up both. I picked up two Tigi products. The first one is the Catwalk Your Highness Elevating Conditioner for fine, lifeless hair. Oh, I don't know if I have fine or lifeless hair. What did I get? I thought this was something completely different. I don't know, we'll see. I thought it was some volumizing thing. But we'll give it a try, because why not? I also picked up this Bedhead Fully Loaded Massive Volume Shampoo. Are these both shampoos? This is the conditioner. This is the shampoo I picked up. They don't match, but that's okay. Last product that is hair care related that I picked up, and again, this kind of goes along with that. I wanted to try something a little bit more fancy, I guess, for shampoo and conditioner. This is the Kenra Platinum Luxe Shine Conditioner. Now on to the makeup products that I picked up. I really need another foundation. So I only have one foundation. It's my It Cosmetics one, and I love that one. But I'm sure you've heard me talk about it before, that the color is just not quite right. Like, it's not the same as my other bottle. It's darker. And so I don't find myself reaching for it as much because I'm so pale right now. It's the winter. So I picked up some more foundations and I got them online. So I did take a peek at these already and they may be too dark. So we will see, But I picked up this MAC foundation. I have never tried, I don't think, any MAC products before. This is in NW10 and this is the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. So I'm really, like that's the color. Do we match? Speaking of foundation, I got more foundation. I got this CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation with SPF 20. I feel like I've tried this before and this kind of is making me think of why I didn't like it. I feel like this is too dark. I don't know, you tell me, but we'll find out when I try it out. But it looks too dark and I'm pretty sure this was the lightest shade that they had. This is an ivory. So we'll try it. This is the Almay Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Makeup. This is in shade 100. So this was the lightest shade, I'm pretty sure. Almay CC Luminous Primer. This is the one I didn't need, and I picked it up anyway. It has SPF 15, so we are gonna try that out. Okay guys, that is all of the things that I actually spent money on and purchased. The rest is all freebies. There's quite a bit, but I think that's one of the funnest parts. I don't know. I always like seeing what people get for free with their purchases. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I like it, so I'm going to show it. I'm excited about it, so I'm going to move this stuff out of the way, and then we're going to get into the samples. So I will be right back. Ready for this? This is the sample portion of the haul. Start with more fuller size products. I don't know why, just because. So this was a freebie that I got for purchasing the shampoo and conditioner from the Tigi line, and I got the Bed Head Rush Shine Spray with Superfine Mist. I don't really use this kind of a product, to be completely honest, but I will give it a try. And then this is another full size. This is a freebie that I got with the Kenra purchase. This is the Kenra Platinum Luxe One Leave-In All-in-One Miracle Spray. This I will for sure use. I definitely use this kind of product in my hair quite frequently, actually. I'm almost out of the one I'm currently using. With the MAC foundation I got a free MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I've surprisingly never tried this. Everyone loves this. Everyone talks about this. I want to know why, so that was one of the reasons probably why I chose that foundation, is just because it came with this for free. And I'm excited about this one because I'm like probably the only person who hasn't tried this out. And then just for making like a skincare purchase over a certain dollar amount, I got a 3-piece freebie of Boscia products. I got the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. I got the Boscia Detoxifying Black Cleanser. And then I got the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. Then for spending how much I spent, I'm not proud of it, but I'm pretty excited about the perks that I got for it. This was a platinum perk, and I've never been platinum before, so I've never gotten this opportunity before, so that's kind of why I did it. I know, not a good reason, but so you got this huge I opened this already and tried to put everything back in. It didn't quite work. So this huge cosmetic bag, it's like a suede on this side, has this little white poof ball and a crap ton of freebies in it. Most of these are deluxe size samples too, so that was pretty awesome. There's a few products that didn't fit in the bag, so I'm going to start with those. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Exfoliating Peel Spray. I've never tried this product before. I'm not a huge fan of this brand, but we're going to give this one a try. Also have in here the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness Skin Relief Treatment Moisturizer. Bare Minerals, what is this? Vital Power Infusion. I think this is a serum or something. Anyway, that's the packaging. Ella and Mila, I'm not really sure. It's a nail polish, and this is in the color Honeymoon Bliss. I believe like the theme of this like freebie bag was supposed to be like cruelty free or something like that. Just putting that out there because I just saw that on that product. The Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum from First Aid Beauty. I've never tried the serum. I love their moisturizer though. Recharge Mask, Sleeping Mask by Micellar. Clean Skin and Vanilla fragrance in here. I love vanilla, so this might be a good one. And it's actually a pretty good size. It's like a mini roller ball or something. LMS Peptide 1000 Flower Mask. the Rituals Harmonizing Foam Shower Gel. Diva Curl Build Up Buster. What is this? A Micellar Water Cleansing Serum? Oh, I thought this was for your hair. What is this? Oh, it is for your hair. A micellar water for your hair? I actually really like their, some kind of curling gel or something by this brand. I'm testing it out. It was like a sample size as well, and I love it. So, I don't know, still looking forward to it. It's just different. I've never heard of that. This is kind of cute. The packaging's a little smashed up, but that's kind of cute. This is the Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. I'm sorry, I have to open this one because it just sounds so weird, and it looks cute. So we're gonna open it. Oh, look at the top. That's kind of cute. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's a lightweight leave-in protectant detangler kind of product. Okay, so I definitely use this because this is something that I would use. But I've never heard of this before. Here's a Kate Somerville Retinol Vita C Power Serum. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. I have yet to try any of these products before. I have a couple sample sizes and I've never tried them. ACV Shampoo and Conditioner Substitute. Oh, it's an apple cider vinegar hair rinse.